Bamboo versus traditional building materials, a journey into a sustainable future. Bamboo grows rapidly and ready for harvest in just 3 to 5 years, unlike the decades needed for hardwoods, and with far less environmental impact than steel or concrete production. Bamboo's tensile strength rivals that of steel, and its natural flexibility offers durability and resistance to wear and tear, surpassing many traditional materials. While initial costs may vary, bamboo's low maintenance and longevity offer cost-effectiveness over time, a smart investment compared to conventional options. Bamboo stands out in its ability to sequester carbon and reduce greenhouse gases, and its low water and land use make it a champion of eco-friendly materials. Innovators like Bcompact are leveraging bamboo's unique qualities to redefine design, blending aesthetics, functionality, and environmental consciousness. The future of building is evolving, with bamboo at the forefront. A symbol of sustainable, resilient, and adaptable construction, Bamboo and Bcompact, leading the way in sustainable building innovations for a greener planet.